Hello everyone. If you type how to in the YouTube search bar, the top results would be how to delete Instagram account, how to download YouTube video, how to connect phone to TV, and various others like these. Today, I am going to tell you about the only habit you need, after which you will never need to search for these things. Whenever you install a new software, check the settings and features provided by that software. For example, in your favorite web browser, go to the settings and see what options are available. Here, on the left-hand side, you see the major settings menu, which has multiple options present under it. Similarly, you should go ahead and check the settings for your browser extensions. For example, if you use the uBlock Origin extension, you would find my settings vastly different from your default settings. This is also true for your accounts on various websites. Consider Instagram. If you click on More, then Settings, you will find these vast options previously hidden from you. Similarly, if you go to Twitter, click on More, then Settings and Support, the same Pandora's box is opened here as well. Go ahead and try it out yourself. I hope the next time you install a new software or create an account, you will make it fully yours before using it. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know your thoughts below. I will see you in the next one.